Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is HOOTMONEY here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be going over Clover Health, C-L-O-V, and we're going to be talking about the short squeeze, whether or not it's a good time to buy, etc. Guys, Clover Health, this one is awesome. I picked up shares a few months ago around $8 a share, and I recently sold last night for about $13.50. Now it's up to almost $20 a share. It's been hovering around $20 a share throughout the day today. It may be different when I upload this video. However, I did leave some money on the table there, so I'm not mad. I made about a $500 return on my investment, so I'm really not mad about that at all. However, I could have made even more, which really sucks, but you know, you can't time the market, and I wouldn't recommend anyone tries to time the market, especially with something like a short squeeze. It's very, very difficult. I would appreciate it if you guys left me that early thumbs up on the video, because it's the #1 thing you can do to help out a small creator like myself. So that would be very much appreciated. Just scroll down, make that thumbs up button into a nice blue shade, and all things will be good in the world. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about investing each and every day on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I pulled up an article here from Reuters about Clover Health. It was released this morning, and yeah, let's just read through it together real briefly. We're going to look at a few things as well, so make sure you stick around for that. But yeah, shares of Clover Health Investment Corporation surged as much as 109% on Tuesday as it became a new focus for small individual traders on social media platforms who have sparked rallies in heavily shorted US stocks this year. The so-called meme stock phenomenon, which began with the video game retailer GameStop in January, spread to cinema operator AMC and has prompted the US Securities and Exchange Commission to say it was looking for signs of market manipulation. The company's options have drawn a surge of bullish action in recent days, with trading volume surging to 587 contracts on Monday compared with an average daily volume of under 50,000 contracts from May, Trade Alert data has showed. So guys, this means that there is potentially a gamma squeeze going on with Clover Health right now. Now they also have a very high short interest. With all that being said, it is only Tuesday, so there's lots of potential with Clover Health. This thing can squeeze even harder than AMC. And yeah, the massive jump in Clover shares on Monday was aided by an options gamma call ladder, a situation where market makers have sold a large number of call options on a string of adjacent strike prices. So a gamma call ladder, or a gamma squeeze, which I've explained before, but I'll explain it again briefly, as simple as possible. It's when a call option goes up in value, the market maker has to hedge, and they hedge by buying shares. So it creates a little bit of an infinite feedback loop where the call option goes up, they need to buy more shares, which makes the call option go up even more because they're buying more shares, which makes them need to buy even more shares, and then the stock price goes to the absolute moon. Whoa. Who is that there? Oh, you're an investor, so you must like free money and getting really good deals on stuff, right?
Well, I am an investor, and I do like having free stuff, and I like making money in the stock market.
Well, young investor, did you realize that if you sign up for Public, they're actually going to pay you in stock for up to $50 if you join their platform?
Oh, I want free $50. What is Public?
Public is an investing application on iOS and Android that has the cleanest user interface. It's very easy and simple to use, very good charts, and it's very good for long-term investing. You get up to $50 in free stock if you sign up using the link below, and they don't sell your trading information. They don't do payment for order flow. So it is a very, very trustworthy network to be a part of, unlike Robinhood.
Oh, wow. I need to transfer my stocks out of Robinhood and into Public, and I need to sign up using the link below.
Now that right there, my friend, that's an investor's mindset. So this is very interesting. So Clover was in a gamma call ladder yesterday with a peak gamma at $12. Today the peak gamma is at $16, and there isn't much gamma between $16 and $20 to drive it higher. So that is likely the reason why Clover Health is hovering around this $20 range right now, and it is likely to not go much higher unless it's just bought up by retail traders. And this is because since the gamma can't go up too much higher, that means the market maker won't really have to hedge as much anymore now that it's at $20. That's where they have to stop hedging their short call position. Now, I will just take a brief look at this chart just to show you guys what exactly is going on with Clover, and I'll give you guys my opinions on where I think it is going at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But anyways, we're going to look at this chart. We're up 69% on the day. Now, this is pretty perfect for a meme stock. If you ask me, 69%, you can't ask for a better return than that in a single day. We're going to scroll out to the week chart right here. We're up 164% in the past week. So if you held on to this for more than a week, you're a very happy camper. If you bought options on this a week ago, you're also a very happy camper. Call options, that is. If you bought put options, you're probably in the hole pretty bad. And then 147% on the month. Now, this one was talked about in April or March about another potential short squeeze. It ran up to about $10.50, and then it fell off ever since. So a lot of the time, these short squeezes don't always come through. It was being talked up back then, and it rallied just a little bit, but the squeeze never actually happened. Well, now you can see the big fat green candle on the right, and you can definitely see that the squeeze is occurring. Now, in the recent week, mostly GameStop and AMC, particularly AMC, has been talked up a bunch, especially across the internet and the social sentiment. Well, now Clover is definitely picking up a bit. As you can see, we're looking at the Wall Street Bets forum right here. We're going to scroll down. They've added Clover to the daily discussion. We'll keep scrolling down. Another call for Clover right there. Clover to the moon is a big one today. Clover pre-market volume. So it's basically almost every other post here is Clover. Another Clover one, Clover short seller numbers and gamma squeeze. So Wall Street Bets actually does have some very good info if you want to learn more about the technical side of a short squeeze. I've actually learned a few things, believe it or not. They're not all dumb apes. There's actually some good due diligence if you look for it, and yeah. So I just want to take a look at this one post that has the most recent up-to-date short interest percentage. Now, the official number is about 36%, and that was in May 15th. Obviously, it's not even close to being May 15th anymore, so that number is pretty much throw it away because that doesn't matter anymore. There's new numbers now, and these are predicted by these data analytics websites. No official numbers. However, these are the most accurate, up-to-date numbers you can get. So you can see updated figures from Ortex. You can look up Ortex to find their legitimacy, and you can see that Clover has a 44% short interest, 2.7 days to cover, and a borrowing cost of 3.2%. So with a short interest of 44%, this makes Clover Health have a higher short interest than any other meme stock. Now this includes AMC, GME, Virgin Galactic, and Workhorse. All of those stocks have lower short interest, which makes Clover have more potential for a short squeeze since more people are short on the stock. And with that being said, there's a good reason for people to be short on the stock, and that is because Clover Health has been called out for having some fraudulent activities. So it makes sense fundamentally why you want to be short on the stock. However, I don't understand how people have not learned their lesson that fundamentals don't really matter right now. Seeing GameStop go from about $5 a share all the way to $450 a share in 2021, yeah, I don't think you guys should be short on anything for that matter, because being short just brings on all this extra risk that you're going to get squeezed. And when you are short on a stock, there is the unlimited potential for losses unless you're doing it through the object of a put option. That's a bit different. However, if you're legitimately short on a stock, I would just never recommend that because you are legitimately screwed. And with Clover, 44% of the free float, that is 44% of the shares that are available for trading right now, are in a short position. So that is absolutely ridiculous. So this one is definitely poised for a huge short squeeze. if this thing keeps rallying, and that'll be very, very interesting. Now, with all that being said, I did sell my shares earlier, and that's because I just don't like being involved with these huge short squeezes. Yes, I could have made a lot more money than I did selling it at $13.50 per share. However, I was up about 70% on my initial investment, and I will always take that as a long-term investor. I bought Clover around the $8 range, which is basically the bottom. It went down to around $7 at one point, but $8 was definitely a good price to pick it up. I didn't see it going much lower, and it didn't go much lower. If you guys are investing in something like Clover today when it's up 70%, actually 69%, if you're investing in it today though, that's where it gets a little scary, because it is currently at an all-time high, and I just don't see it staying at this value for that much longer. Maybe for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Anyways, it doesn't matter, because there's going to be insane volatility, and if you have a lot of money invested in this, the numbers on your account will be swinging constantly, which induces a lot of risk. With that being said, I did not want to be in on that personally. I've had full disclosure throughout all the videos that I've made that I am not long on any of these meme stocks. I don't like trading meme stocks. I don't even really like trading penny stocks for that matter. And while it does cause a little bit of minor FOMO, in the end, I know that having a solid investment strategy that I can continue to do throughout my entire life is what's going to be best for me as a long-term investor. So I'm very, very happy with what I am doing currently, and I'm not really here to chase those short-term huge gains. So with that being said, I can't really recommend that you guys buy into Clover, because there is a lot of fraudulent activities. There's a reason it has a high short percentage. However, if you guys do want to gamble on it, then you probably have better odds of gambling on that than you do on a casino. And with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys understand the Clover short squeeze now a little bit more, and I offered you guys a little bit more information. If you guys would like to learn more about investing, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we post videos like this almost every single day here on the channel. And yeah, that's about it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.